Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see option selling. So let's get started with the Nifty. So here is the Nifty for today. Okay, so let's get the basics right. This is call writing, acts as a resistance, price will go up. This is put writing, acts as a support and price will go up. Okay, now if weak resistance, that means negative delta from seller's perspective. Strong resistance means positive delta, decay, okay, and vice versa for put side. We'll now go into the chart. So I'm running parallel both the option open interest chart as well as option chain, that is, as well as our week 2 charts. Okay, so here is the day 5. Tomorrow we are going to have expiry. Now let's see the support and resistance. Okay, so you could see resistance is at 300, and when you check for support is 25k. Okay, now with respect to this we'll check. So today we have gap down, open was 25,150. So from 2 days open was actually 150. Okay, so this was our open ATM, and you could clearly see here, if gap down means, let's consider it is a weak support. So this is ITM and this is OTM. Since today it is pre-expiry, so tomorrow it's expiry, it will be pre-expiry, decay will be fast. That's why OTM is having positive decay. Weak support, that's why negative decay in the ITM. Strong resistance, that's why positive decay max here, and here you can compare. Okay, now this is the price action. Open is here, so tomorrow it's going to be sideways and close. So this would be a positive decay week with a hunting of above and below as seen here. Okay, now we'll check quickly for Bank Nifty. Same pattern, 1 hour chart time frame. Okay, so this is today. So Bank Nifty I'm keeping from Monday to Monday. So Monday to Friday is going to be 1 week. So you could see last week how the price action, and today it's sustaining at its resistance. Open is 56,300. Okay, 56,300 is our open. Okay, so here clearly you could see this is the chart pattern. Okay, sorry. Okay, so this is week 2 and week 3 comparison. So here you could see this is support and this is resistance, and then this is ITM and OTM for call and put respectively. And you check for open, it was 56,300, and you could see OTM is negative here, negative here, negative here. This indicates that the resistance is pretty weak, because it is a negative decay. Here support is strong, because you could see support is getting strong as price action is moving up despite being the gap down. Here we'll consider support strong, so ITM is positive. Now we'll quickly check for Midcap Nifty. So this is Midcap Nifty, and Midcap Nifty is currently trending higher high. So last week and today is sustaining at its resistance. Okay, when you check for open, 120 100, let's keep 100, 13,100, and then you could see negative and positive. Okay, so simple. Negative because weak resistance, positive because strong support. We'll move on to the premium chart in the Trading Tick website. So yesterday it was not working, so I am unable. So yeah, still not working. So let's just leave this part and we'll try to analyze the close range open interest. So we'll start with Nifty. Okay, so here Nifty you could see for 14th October, tomorrow is the expiry, 14 and 11. So resistance is looking good, strong for Nifty. For Bank Nifty 137 and 114, here also resistance is pretty good. Sorry, Finnifty is your homework, so we'll move on to Midcap. So this is Midcap, 11 and 10. Midcap is looking sideways, but price action is moving up, so there is a chance that it might fall. Now let's check the straddle points for all the three index. Since the service is not good, we'll try to analyze somewhat based on last week. And you could see here 25k is the straddle point for Nifty. When you check for Bank Nifty, so this is Bank Nifty 55,000, and the last one is Midcap for October. So every 100 counts it's having build up, but 13k is the straddle point. Now we'll check the ATM. If okay, so it's showing for 13 only. So you could see second half the build up is against the sellers. So you could see, but the SL hunting is pretty much from here 26 to 83. So this was the SL hunting.